Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's lessons we are going to do about how to change your desktop wallpaper or the background. First of all, you right click on any empty space on the desktop, right click, you come to Personalize, you wait for it to open for you, then this is your Personalize. So if you want to change the background of your desktop, you can come to the pictures available for you. If you want a picture, you can choose the background. If you want solid color, you can choose any solid color. So you can choose orange, and you go to now you see this how it behaves. So if you want a different option to, let's say you want red, you can come to this red color. Maybe these solid colors are too much for you. You want pictures. So if you have a picture, let's say you downloaded some pictures from the website or from your website and you've installed it somewhere, so you can come to your browse. You have an open area for you. Let's say you go into where you see the pictures. So I have some pictures. Let me say I want to use these pictures. Let's say I click on it, you choose the picture, and then you wait for a while to open it for you. This is my picture. So this is my picture that I want to use for my desktop background. If you want a slideshow too, you can come over here and choose slideshow. Go to the folder you want to use. Let's say this folder. Choose the folder to use. Then to change pictures in a minute. So in every minute. So it shuffles. Let's your picture. If you want solid colors,